What's going on, fellow entrepreneur? In this video, I'm going to show you how I earned $667 in a day by effort that I've put in back in 2018, 2019, and 2017, and how you can earn money online from effort that you put in today and still earn from that 2-3 years down the line. This is a very powerful strategy, completely autopilot traffic, and you don't need a website. What I also really like about this, you're going to earn big commissions on digital and software products that haven't even been released yet. And why I also really like this is because software is one of the fastest growing and highest paying niches in the world right now. If you think about it, software is literally the backbone of the economy. Popular shops such as your Walmarts and your Targets wouldn't be operating and wouldn't be able to do sales if it wasn't for software. The point of sale system, the database that records all the sales, that wouldn't be possible without software. I'm also going to give you access to 2 secret tools that I use to completely smash my competitors at this. This is really going to be an amazing bonus that I'm going to give you guys, so make sure to watch until the end so that you can learn how to get that. And if you have any questions about this video, if you're unsure about anything, you're welcome to follow me on Instagram at Froneman, where I sometimes live stream and answer questions. But guys, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you and document my daily journey on how I make money online, how you can make money online, build your online brand, build your online presence, and succeed online. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below so I can send you a message and notify you every time I upload an awesome video just like this one, so you can get that video first and beat the competition. But let's get into this video. So step number 1 is going to be finding a database or a tool that will identify these software releases that are still going to be released. So I've actually got 3 amazing tools for you. The first one that I'm going to show you guys is called muncheye.com. So muncheye.com is an entire done-for-you database that literally gives you a list of big launches and all launches of future software programs that are going to be released. So you can see the 25th of May, which is yesterday, okay, that was released. 27th of May, tomorrow, is some TikTok software getting released. 28th of May, 4th of June, it goes all the way until December, end of this year. And you've got some more launches over here as well, and some other products that have just launched. Then you've got the launch calendar on Warrior Plus, so you can come to warriorplus.com, hover over the affiliate button or menu bar, come over to launch calendar, and it's going to pop up with a tab like this. So you can see today being the 26th, tomorrow we've got 1 software being released. On the 28th, we've got another one being released. On the 30th, another 2. And these are all other programs that have been released in the past. And then a third tool that I want to show you guys is called cbengine.com, which shows you new affiliate products that have just been released on ClickBank. So for those of you that don't know what ClickBank is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world where you can become an affiliate and share your unique link and get commissions on various different products and various different courses and services online. So you'll see over here, a recent product that was just released is FacePhone, which is a Zoom-like video conferencing service. Huge commissions, 75% commissions. That is completely massive. So this is a very nice list. There's some more TikTok products. So TikTok is also blowing up right now, so that's a nice product to focus on. So this is also a great database to identify products that have just been released that is getting a lot of hype, a lot of traffic, and that is how we can capitalize on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this example over here. Let's take VideoTick, which is obviously some TikTok marketing software that is being released, which is tomorrow, 27th of May. But quickly have a look at this. I quickly put in YouTube, VideoTick review. I actually found an amazing example over here. Check out this channel over here. Brett Adams, the oldest affiliate, has 1 subscriber. In just 4 days, he's already hit nearly 800 views just on a review of this VideoTick product. And all he does is he clicks on this product, VideoTick, and he opens up this page. But wait, you don't have to make these videos yourself. I'm going to show you now how you can actually bypass this and use a really cool software to do these reviews for you if you are the kind of person that's not really confident with making videos. Because when it comes to making money online, being above everybody else, content is king, especially if you want to build a brand, you want to build an audience, provide them value and monetize that. content is king. But I'm going to show you a nice workaround where you can do these kind of reviews and get a ton of hype. I mean, for a channel to have 1 subscriber and nearly 800 views in the first 4 days on a video, you can see there's no other video on Video Tick besides this guy. He's the only guy that has made a review, if I search Video Tick review, on this product so far, which is incredible. So you could literally go right now after this video, do a quick review of this product, post it with a decent thumbnail that you can literally copy off and make off Canva or something like that. Have a look at the landing page of this product. You can see they've got so many different upsells and downsells, up to 8 different sales that you can make from one client. So the commissions on this are huge. It's 50%. So, I mean, you're going to get 50% of all of these sales, which is completely huge. Over time, your videos could be getting more and more views. You might hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, and then your revenue is also going to shoot up, because all I'm going to say is revenue on YouTube is pretty decent. It's not amazing. It doesn't pay hundreds of thousands, but it is decent. Obviously, the guys with millions of subscribers are earning a lot more because they're getting all the views, but a channel my size, it's decent revenue. So that's all I'm going to say. So it's definitely something to work at. And I mean, this is something you could literally make a review video tonight, and that video could blow up overnight, and you could get like 20, 30 sales. It's literally $1,000 in a day. That's the potential with this kind of thing. But I'm going to show you 3 secret tools that I use. So to make these review videos, I've got this tool over here called Audio Bookmaker. Check this out. Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review and a review on the TikTok tool that is going to be released. Stick with me until the end to receive a bonus. For example, check when I play this. Have a look at this.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review on the TikTok tool that is going to be released. Stick with me until the end to receive a bonus.
So you can literally use an audio text-to-speech generator and do your reviews with this. YouTube monetizes this kind of thing, so it does work. You can literally go and type in what you want to say. If you're not confident to be on camera, if you're not confident speaking in a mic, you can go and use this tool. So what I'll do is, if you want this Audio Bookmaker tool, I've got the zip file. Just leave a like on this video. I will really appreciate the support. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you're new, and leave that bell on and smash the life out of it. And also leave a comment down below just saying that you've done so and that you're ready for the tool, and I will personally reply with your link to this tool. With that being said, and the other 2 tools that I want to show you guys, they're not necessary. It's not required, but it will help you a lot, I'm saying, in really blowing up on YouTube. First one is Video Marketing Blaster. So this is a tool where you can put in a specific keyword. So you can literally go and put this name of this tool, Video Tick Review, into this tool, and this Video Marketing Blaster tool will give you automatically optimized titles, tags, and descriptions that you can copy and paste into your video, and you will always rank #1 for that term. So that's what I use to completely smash and beat my competition and get all the traffic first before everybody else. So this is really an amazing tool. It currently costs $97, but I'm going to leave an affiliate link down below. It's my own affiliate link where you can get this tool at just $27 once off. Really, there's no upsell to some $2,000 course. This is the only final price. Really amazing price. I use this tool on my videos on my channels. I've personally had videos on my main channel blow up to 300,000 views plus because of this tool. And then the second tool, I also love this tool, is called lingoblaster.com. So what this tool does is it translates all of your videos to every single language in the world. So you can reach 200 to 300% more views on a foreign audience. So if you translate your video to German, your videos are going to pop up on the German language of YouTube because your descriptions, your titles have already been automatically translated, and you can translate your videos into hundreds of just over 100 different languages, and you can rank in all of those languages different search terms, which is really amazing. This tool also costs a total of $97. I will leave my affiliate link down below where you can get this at $37 once off. There's no upsell again to some $2,000 course. This is the final once off amount. So both of these tools are really amazing for content creators. What I suggest is actually go back to Munchai. If you want to master this even more, come over to the previous launches. You want to go search these products on YouTube. So let's go have a look at CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels review. there should be some videos on this already because this is a product that's already been released. You can see over here, this guy, CloudFunnels Review. He's got 2.8k subscribers. He's got 1.4k views in just 3 days. That's a 50% view to subscriber ratio, which is completely insane to just get that in 3 days. So this is the potential with this kind of thing. And all you do is you can see right here, he's got a affiliate link in his description. If that 1.4k views, 100 of them signed up, it's over $1,000 in just 3 days in commissions. So the potential is huge. And I suggest go and have a look, click on these videos, go watch how other people review them, see what they do, and basically make your own version of that if you want to talk into a camera, or if you want to use that software that I've showed you guys in this video, how to literally just text to speech, and instead of using your own voice, you do that. And then you can go and use a tool called OBS, completely free software to record your screen. It's exactly what I use. It's completely free for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So whatever machine you're using, you can download it. All you do is you just press start recording. Your screen will start recording. Obviously, just have your mic plugged in so that it can record your audio. And then what you can also do if you really want to scale at this even more, let's say you get some good commissions from the free video reviews. Like I said, you don't need a website to do this. You just need YouTube. You can use other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You want to post these little reviews everywhere and make reviews everywhere, and content is king. Post once a day. But like I said, then if you want to scale from that, you can use paid ads. So you can literally create a Facebook ad, a free 30-minute review on this new TikTok software, marketing software that's being released tomorrow. You can go run an ad on that, or that's being released in a week's time. So you can go create a simple landing page with a tool called Kartra.com. You can also collect people's emails. You can create memberships, but that's not really too important with this strategy. So you can retarget people with email marketing. Some of these products will actually give you the exact email swipes if you click on their pages, and when you get your affiliate link, and when you actually go and view the JV page. So I'm actually going to choose one of these products as an example. Here you can see bonuses page over here. Most of these pages are going to have bonus pages. Here you can see done for you email swipes that you can go and copy, create like a little opt-in page with Kartra. What I'll do is I'll actually leave a link down below to Kartra on a free training video and with a whole bunch of bonuses on how you can do this just to help you guys out even more. You can create like a landing page with a video training that you can copy from their website. So for example, from this website that you want to review, you can copy this video of YouTube, put it on your landing page, go run a Facebook ad on that, and have people like register now for the free product, name, email, click on register, and then that email is sent to a email campaign sequence that you've set up on Kartra with these email swipes that they literally give you on their affiliate bonuses pages that you can copy and paste. So everything is done for you. You just need to go and put it together like I've explained in this video. And another awesome concept that I want to explain to you guys. Let's say you make a review video or a review article on the specific product. Your article 1 on the product launch, you could make $200 on the actual launch. The future week, there still could be some traffic coming to that specific article or video. You could make $20, $30 in sales. The next week, you could make $10 in sales. Sometimes you might only get $100 on the product launch. The next week might be a little bit less, but the future week, you could make like $40 to $100 again as people are coming back to their review product. Then article 3, let's say that example, that one could get $800 on the first day of product launch. Then over time, slowly but surely, $30 to $50 a week in commissions just from your review that you've put in effort from weeks to years ago. Article number 4 could be $300, the next week could be $100, then after that $30. But hopefully you can see as you go and produce more and more reviews, you can see the product launch, the future weeks, the future months, the future years. These amounts of revenue is going to start adding up, and there's going to come a stage where you could be earning $1,000 to $2,000 a week completely passive from hundreds of videos and reviews that you've created on all these different products over the years. And what I really like about Munch-I, Launch Calendar, CB Engine, there's always products being released the next day. You're never running out of content ideas. There's always something to review and something to talk about and get commissions on. So this is literally an infinite content business idea that you can monetize and make up to 2,000, 3,000. You can build up to a 5-6 figure business per year just doing something like this. But guys, make sure to click on the link down below in the description to get your bonuses on how to do this, the training on Kartra, and also how to put a landing page together on Kartra if you want to try out the Facebook ads method and really scale at this. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new. I will really appreciate the support. And on the screen, I'm going to leave my best playlist on how you can make money online. Lots of giveaways, lots of free tools, lots of content to really help you out and get you started with affiliate marketing and with this kind of thing. So make sure to go and click this playlist over here. Go through some of the videos in this playlist. It's literally a free course on YouTube here for free that you can watch over and over again if there's something that you don't understand. So make sure to click on this playlist on the screen, and I'll see you there.